Oi, oi, Wildarmy. Wild man guards here, boots on the ground. Well, I found the waterfall. This is actually LUMSDALE waterfall. Beautiful, beautiful place. Oh man, took some getting to this as. But we'll take a little look down here. There's old remnants of an old mill. But it's the waterfall I wanted to take a look at. Some mushrooms as well. So we'll take a track down. Bit of a nature one this is, but it's a beautiful place. I ought to share it with you. Just waiting for my train. Well, got that back to my train. Thought I'd share this little beauty with you. Hope everybody's all right, okay. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for all my new subscribers. Oh, it's warm today, guys. So yeah, let's take a track down here. Go see what little remnants we can find, little bits of old buried history. Come on, guys. Got to be careful where I'm treading. Big love to you all. Sorry, guys. Just got my bag. It's going to be quite noisy down here, but it's a nice noise. Beautiful noise. Thought I'd share this little bit of British nature with you. Ancient. I don't know how old this place is. It's old enough. And the water's absolutely beautiful. Like I say, it's a really warm day today. Just out and about, keeping fit. Taking in all the nature, looking for buried history. Sharing it with you guys, the Wildarmy. If you like looking for old history, come and join the Wildarmy UK, guys. I got up for all sorts. I'll learn you a bit of foraging along the way. Right, it's warm today, guys. I've come across this mushroom here. 2 seconds, guys, of the whoppy. Oh. This mushroom here, guys, as you can see. Sorry, guys, I've got a mushroom attacking me. I've got a whoppy attacking me. This is actually the grey spotted amanita. Now it's actually the same sort of family as the fly agaric, but it's poisonous, guys. It's not one for the foraging bag. You don't really want me picking that. It's an absolutely beautiful specimen. Like it's got little wings on it. Hope the camera's picking that up for you. Let's take a look down this waterfall, guys, because there's some beautiful nature here. Remnants are Oldworld too. Got to be careful where I'm treading. Take you round here the best I can. There's actually people coming in now, so I'm going to be quick. Take a little track down this side. Actually another part of the waterfall here. This place is humongous. We'll just follow this little stream down. Oi, guys. Right. Yeah, you. Yeah. Good lad. These rock formations. Don't know what that was. Doesn't sound good though. Look at this, guys. Absolutely awesome. Just thought I'd share this with Eric, the Yogi and all the crew. Michael, the wild guy. Did some awesome videos, brother. Kat, Annie, all the crew, Skit, Jace, awesome people. I just thought I'd share this bit of nature with you, let you know what I get up to when I'm out and about in the UK looking for old history. It's not all doom and gloom and conspiracy theories in the Wildarmy. Yeah, I do like looking for buried history, but old world remnants. But I also love learning nature. Say a big shout out and a thank you to Denise, Kathy, all the crew. Like I say, where'd he go? Little Jenny ran there. Like I say, I've been here before, but I just thought I'd share this with you again, guys, because it's an awesome place. I just want to follow this stream down. I want to give a big shout to Berries and Rambles. Big love to you, brother. I need to catch up with all your content and comment soon. Really busy. Busy being in the Wildarmy. Always out and about looking for stuff. Man, look at this place. This is just a little view for you guys. Some of you guys can't get out and about to see this sort of stuff, so I'm out there. I'm going to show you. Boots on the ground, you know. Well, trainers on the ground. This looks pretty slippy to me. Really don't slip on. I really don't want to slip on my wild bum. Dirt. Oh, I've never been down this part before. Look at this. I've actually got a little cutout here. See, this is new to me. Beautiful place. Come on guys, let's check that out down there. That's a strange formation. Come on guys, go and check this beautiful place out. Like I say, this is LUMSDALE Waterfall, Matlock. Boots on the ground. Oh guys, in the video before this, got that crazy little Oldworld. Hold on. Posing for me. Little wagtail. Little yellow wagtail, that guys. Beauty. They always hang around rivers. Posing for me. Little pied wagtail. What a beauty. Thanks for that, buddy. Welcome to the Wildarmy, little dude. There he goes. He says, right, you've had your picture now, I'm off. Look at this place, guys. This is just a bit of a nature walk, really. We'll go down these steps. Like I say, I haven't been down this part before. Oh, awesome. Take a look under here. Listen at it. Wow, beautiful. Ancient wall, then you've got modern wall. Strange rock formations, cutouts in the rock. More layers on top. It looks like that looks like it was a structure of some sort. Well, let's follow this stream down a bit more. Actually got another little set of old world steps here. This place just keeps giving and giving. Beautiful. Like I say, I'll share this with you guys. Take a look round here. And then we'll get down to that other piece of waterfall. Hold on a sec. Might as well get down to it now, won't we? Well, some of it. A lot of people piling in at the minute. Like I say, we'll follow this waterfall down. Make my way down here. where people don't usually go. Oh goodness. Got to be careful guys because it's slippy. I've actually been in there before. Best place. Now this actually looks like a face. Looks like Predator. It's got dreadlocks and everything. Look at this guys. You know what I mean? It looks like Predator. That looks like a Rasta with dreads. Seeing that? Pretty slippy down there guys. It's actually cut the channel. Hold on, I've got to be so careful. Taking it all in for you guys. I hope not all you need the toilet. Make you need a wee there. What a beautiful place. Come on guys, make our way back up. There's actually more to see. Like I say, I've been inside all that. Prehistoric, doesn't it? And there's that big crack where the rocks burst through the wall. Crazy. Crazy places. Beautiful places. This water's so clear. But it's so slippy. I hope everyone's game won't come round here now. I hope you don't know because it's pretty slippy. Bear with me guys. The rock climbing. Oh dear. There's my bag. Ah, there it is. Actually got wild raspberries growing everywhere. Absolutely beautiful. Ladybird. Like I say, this is more of a little nature video, just to break it up a bit. Got to love it, haven't you? There's an army coming. Army of people. We've got our army. Wild army. Alright guys. It's actually a massive chimney up here. Let's take a look. I think there's a gap in the fence up here. I've actually come into somewhere I shouldn't be as usual. Anyway, out. Where's that gap? There's a gap here somewhere, I've seen it. Now guys, check this chimney out here. Actually got a massive chimney here, coming out the ground. Don't know how deep that goes. It looks like it goes pretty deep. It's a huge chimney. It must just keep going underground. Come on guys, let's finish this off. Take you further down the waterfall. This way. these people have flooded them from everywhere. Must have caught it just at the right time. I don't think these people are from round here though, I'll be honest.
Alright, bro. Alright.
Hi, mate. Oh my God, they flooded them from everywhere, people are. These steps, ancient. Come on, guys. Make our way further down. That's actually where we've just been, on there. Where nobody dares go, luckily. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful nature. So further down, guys, let's follow the stream down. We'll follow this stream down here. Down these old world steps, because this place goes really far and really deep. Look at these ancient old steps. And still people leave rubbish everywhere. And so there you go. Middle of nature. And people leave bottles and cans and they just treat it, wow. You know what we have to places like that? It's sacred. The Wildarmy places. What's that? Strange things sticking out the rocks. Take a look down here. Look at this place. Beautiful. We'll just keep following this stream down, guys, as far as I can go. How are you, lads?
You alright, man?
Yeah, you?
Yeah, not bad.
The few folk up there, man.
Yeah.
Get this, guys. So here we are. There's that crazy, crazy raster in the rocks. Some hard candy for you there, guys. Hard candy for me. Oh God, people are flooding in now. Strange how these got, they like blocks, they like block work, guys. You know what I mean? A lot of them don't look like natural rock formations to me, they look like block. Old world block. Careful down here now, guys, pretty slippy. Where I get wet. Yeah, there we go, I'm actually in it now. The wild man's going to go mad. Look at that. Take it all in, guys. We've actually got caves here. I've already been in them. To be honest, guys, they don't go very far. Just thought while I was in the area, come down here and show you. Some people haven't seen it. Look at that. What a place. Hopefully down, guys. What we done, hasn't it? I don't care if I get my feet wet. It's actually quite warm, so it doesn't really matter. We're actually going down the stream now. Why not? Might as well, haven't we? Oh my God, it's slippy. Wildarmy boots in the water. Never actually been down this part before. Whoa, look at this, guys. Remnants of old world, just hidden away. Pockets of survival in nature. Water's just cascading all down that old building. different perspective on it. Beautiful place though. What have we got down here? A load of stuff where people have left the rubbish. Oh God. Get further down. Mind you, I've got to climb back up now. You know what? Worth it. Good for you. Keeps you fit, keeps you healthy. There's lovely nature down here. There we go. Look at there. That waterfall is massive really. Cascades all the way down. That's actually quite far up that. How many of you need to go toilet now? Come on guys. I think someone's had a bit of a fire in the middle of the stream there, God bless them. Oh, I'm in. That's actually quite nice. Having a bit of a paddle. Look, more wall here guys. So glad I come down this part now. Look. I've actually got the wall. And the wall actually turns into the rock. Hey up, Tarzan's turned up. See what I mean guys? Look at that. Old world structure buried under the UK woodlands again. What did that used to be? Because that doesn't look like a normal rock formation to me guys. Blockwork. Blockwork. Brickwork. Stonework, old work, homework, crazy place. So glad I could share this with you. Now poor wild man stopped making his way back up. There's people flooding in from everywhere. Actually guys, to be honest, I can make my way further down. Let's do it. Oh, I'm wet anyway. Let's go down this old world river stream thing. Hope I don't slip on my backside. Come on guys, try and navigate this now. I'm going to go this way. This way. This way. Sorry birdie. Robin, hey dude. Yeah? Sorry dude, I don't mean to disturb you. Just trying to find my way down here. Look at this place, it's massive. Humongous. Right, how am I going to do this now? Sounds like someone's having a fire. So hard doing this one-handed guys, I'll be honest with you. Let's get round here. You have to go down these old rivers and streams. You never know what little bits of history you're going to find. I'm getting soaked. I don't care. I will care if I slip in. Well, slip on the ass. Oh, now I'm in. Now I'm in. Awesome. Look at that. It's a massive crime scene. It's been annihilated. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful old world, guys. Got a red brick. Of course it is. There's always one, isn't there? Can't go anywhere. What time are we on? Oh God, 24 minutes. I hope you're not bored, guys. Sorry about that. I just wanted to show you this waterfall. Well, I wanted to see it myself again. didn't get out of here. Oh man, that one has got climb. Actually got more down here. Oh, little old bridge down there. See the little old archway. Sorry about the shaking, guys, it does that when I zoom. Ah. Now I thought that was a rock, guys, but look at it. How old's that? Ancient. Right guys, I need to get out of here. That's not a natural rock. Right, I need to get out of here. The train's calling. I need to get back home. That video was longer than I thought, but we took it all in. Come down that old river waterfall system thing. Old hydropower. Looked at the nature, looked at the rocks. And that was a lovely little explore. Like I say, I'm at LUMSDALE Falls in Matlock. Beautiful place. And I'll probably be here again tomorrow with Corey. We'll see what other little truth nuggets we can find. So yeah, this is the Wildman Gaz signing out for the Wildarmy. Wildarmy UK, boots on the ground. Have a good one guys, big love to you all. Hope you enjoyed that little explore. Boots on the ground. Oi oi!